Check this out. I'll refresh the page just so you see that's true and factual. I made $30, $199, $30, $36, $42, $29, $140, and $36, and I've got hundreds of pages on this website. If I go on my reputation, you can see I had over 6,500 successful orders on the website. It's a very simple website, don't worry about it, and a simple method, over 3K feedback. How did I make so much money online? Well, I made it playing video games. Yeah, that's true. Free PayPal money, just playing video games. How about that? Do you want to learn what the website is and how to actually make money on it and withdraw, of course? I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And if you're new, me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos every single day, 3 to 5 videos every single day for your value. So if you appreciate that and us not wasting your time explaining make money online methods in 10, 20, 30, 40 minute videos, but rather 2-3 minute videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video for the YouTube algorithm, because it really helps us out. And also there's a riddle in the comment down below. Try to guess it. The answer is in the description, but yeah, it's a community thing. I really like it. And I will shout you out in one of the next videos. You just gotta comment your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account. We just take it, put it in the shout out jar, because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. So I've done a lot of orders on this website, and I'll tell you what the website is very soon. It's basically a leading marketplace for gamers, where gamers meet gamers. You play games, you sell account, offers, power leveling, boosting, meaning you play on someone else's account and you get paid for it by other gamers. And these platforms get a cut. You can make money on games like RuneScape, Tarkov, Fortnite, Path of Exile, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, and so many more. I personally made most of my money from World of Warcraft, Old School RuneScape, League of Legends, and Pokemon Go in 2016. I was selling accounts. And the website is called playeractions.com, and you can just browse accounts on different games and sell them. For example, a lot of people or a lot of you would have some old Clash of Clans accounts. And look at that, this person is selling these accounts for $269. I tried to sell some. There's a way to create those automatically. There's a lot of bot farms, but the basic idea is you choose a game that you're good at and you want to sell services around it. You can even sell power leveling, meaning you just get paid a few dollars an hour to play on someone else's account depending on your skill. For example, if we go on power leveling and then click on League of Legends, you can see people are paying for boosting. $5 for division boosting by this seller and other offers similar to it. So yeah, check it out. And also, if you want to scale up afterwards like I did, you can hire, outsource some of the work, or also try to look for automated software that can play on your site. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. This is not financial or medical advice, and by the end of this video, make sure you check this video or this video out. See you next one. Bye.